Hello people, so this is my second video of the day and people, in this video I just want to say why drinking milk, that compulsory glass of milk every day is not good for you. It's like probably the worst thing you can do for your body, because like in my growing up years we were made to drink 2 glasses of these milk every day, morning and evening. And milk, sugar and Bonvita added together is like a disaster waiting to happen. I mean, I know this goes against the basic grain of the sort of mindset we grew up thinking milk is calcium and all of that. But no, yeah, milk is this kind of excretion that is, we get it mostly out of the injections that a poor animal is pumped with. And sugar is as bad as it gets, and then Bonvita, which is again some sugary substances added. And no wonder after every glass of milk I would end up feeling almost pukish. So if you want to live a long, happy, sane life, just stay away from that nauseating glass of milk. Yeah, seriously. So on that note, thanks for watching people, and please subscribe.